Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Porsche Cayenne battery. First, always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gloves and eye protection. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. The battery in a Porsche Cayenne is usually located under the driver's seat, so you'll need to move the seat fully forward and possibly remove a cover to access it. Now let's disconnect the terminals. Using a 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Always remove the negative cable first to prevent any accidental short circuits or sparks. Once the negative cable is safely out of the way, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Be sure to keep the cables clear of the battery posts. With the terminals disconnected, you'll need to unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap. This mechanism secures the battery in place. Once it's loose, carefully lift the battery out of its tray. Remember, car batteries can be quite heavy, often weighing over 50 pounds, so lift with your legs, not your back. Note its orientation for easier reinstallation. Before installing a new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connections. When reinstalling, place the new battery in the tray, secure the hold down, and then connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative. Double-check all connections for tightness. For more great tips and deals, including how to stay hydrated on the go with an Owala water bottle, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.